Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I am coming back at you with another little house shack update. I know it's been quite a few weeks. I have definitely not forgotten about you guys. It's just, as you guys I'm sure know, been a busy time for all of us, I bet. But I have some exciting updates to share with you today, and we are almost towards the end. So some fun things to show you. Here's a little glimpse of the outside with some new siding. So as you can see, the siding is not the exact same, but this original siding was old and they weren't able to match it. But it's the same color, it's the same style, just much smaller, which I really don't have a problem with. I think it looks great. And I got my shutters put up as well, and my light, I'll bring you over there in just a second. And I got this little garage put up. Well, it's not a garage, it's like a tent, but just so I could start moving stuff over here. I'm only putting stuff in here that would be okay if it did get a little bit wet, but so far, I'm not gonna unzip it. Let me see if I can just peek you guys in. Look, I got quite a few things moved over, but it is staying dry in there. You know, the edges get a little wet and everything, but it's doing a good job staying dry. It is quite rainy today. I don't know if you can tell, but it is very rainy. I gotta head inside. I bought that off of Facebook for about $150, and I came over one day to try to put it together, and my contractor just came running out, and he took a whole day off of working to help me put that together. So, oh, it's really raining. I really appreciated that. Here's my shutters, and here's my new light that I got put up that has to be still amended a little bit. I really want to go in, it's wet. But look at my beautiful hostas that came up. Some lilies. I have a bunch of pots that I will eventually move. But just some nice things that were already there. All right, now we're inside. Okay. So my glasses and my screen are all wet, so I hope I'm showing you guys good things because I can't really see that well, but walking in, you can see the floor is still fabulous. It needs to be cleaned, but they're still working, almost done. We have the wonderful trim all the way around. New trim on the windows. New paint. I don't remember if this door was here the last time you guys saw it, but they trimmed out the door. I might put those shutters on the upstairs bedroom. I'm not sure quite yet. But just a nice closet. They trimmed out this door as well. That looks fabulous. So just a fabulous little mudroom, entryway, laundry room. I have not solved my dishwasher debacle. I'm either going to get rid of it or put it in here. I know a lot of you said don't put it in the laundry room, but I mean, I really wouldn't have a big deal up for it. And I mean, if it works, I might put it in here. Yeah, it might be odd, but I really wouldn't have a problem with it. I would kind of like it. I would want to, obviously it's a panel ready, so I would get like a little matching cabinet right here and then kind of encapsulate all of it and put a counter on top. So I'll let you guys know. Either that or I'm going to get rid of it. I'm not going to redo the kitchen. I just decided. Well, I didn't just decide, but that's what I decided. Okay, this is new. They trimmed out and drywalled the top and got this accordion door for the hot water heater. This was really the only door type that would have worked here because it is such an odd shape and such an odd area. So a little wood look accordion door, which I won't be opening very often, so I think it's kind of cute. And it's just so bright and airy in here. It looks really great. Moving into the bathroom. Obviously floors are good. You guys have seen those. I don't remember the state it was in last time, but the vanity is back. I'm going to be painting that eventually. The whole bathroom is painted. Looks very crisp and clean. I'm not sure what color I'm gonna paint the vanity just yet. I think I'm gonna end up painting this little trim on the mirror as well. I just don't love the brown, but the countertop is fabulous, so gorgeous. It has been like sealed and waxed or whatever that stuff is. So pretty. I'm gonna get some shelving right here. You know, small things. I still need to get this light fixture, or not light fixture, electrical switch covered. It's just such an odd shape. But this is still drying. I think they did the second coat today. And then my little sink will go in. Obviously the pan needs to be cleaned, patched up a little bit down there, but beautiful, beautiful shower. Still needs to be cleaned up around the edges there as well. But bathroom has come a long way. Trim on this door. Just these finishing touches really do make such a big difference. Same with the kitchen counters. They have been oiled and conditioned. Yeah, they definitely did a second coat just this morning. So that is drying. I have the cabinets, the handles and knobs and stuff on now. Super cute. I went with little ones because it's just like a small little space. But it's just so clean and nice. Fridge will go here. Stove will go over there. Obviously some cleaning up to do, but nothing too bad. It's looking really great. I'm excited. They still have to assemble the sink and put in the garbage disposal. Let me take that back up. I'll fix that on my way out, but I did a pretty good job. That's the kitchen. It's just so springy in here, guys. It's so nice. Look how bright. Moving into the living room, this has been this way for a little while, I think now. I just have to get one new screen on the outside over there. That's nothing new. That was like it when I bought it, but have to get that. So bright and nice. Love the flooring, love the windows. My little cubby here for some extra storage. I just brought in, it's like echoing in here. It's so big, it's echoing. I just brought in my little potbelly stove, and now I think I need to get a new one. When I bought this house, it just felt so much smaller. Just the way it was set up and where everything was and the colors and the floor. I don't know, it just felt so much smaller that I was nervous to get anything bigger that it wouldn't fit. But now looking at this, I definitely am gonna sell this and get a bigger potbelly stove because look at how much room I have. I was nervous it would impede on my living space, but I'm never gonna be walking over here except to be using that little stove. So I'm going to get a bigger one. I think I'll probably stick with a potbelly just because it is like a good shape for the area, but it definitely needs to be bigger. That won't heat anything. Not a thing. But it is cute. Just not gonna work out right here. The plant room I think is all the same. We're almost to, oh, this is new. He just installed this today, the new fan. Beautiful. I just love that closet area, which if you guys know me, that'll be for plants. I have one full countertop left, which will be used in the laundry room as a little counter space once I get that situated. But beautiful, beautiful. The curtains will come down, but I'll leave them on for now. Sills, I don't know if these are new, but the sills are, I know they're new. I just don't know if they're new since the last video. They've been done and painted so nicely. The stairs have been painted, and I am definitely going to get a runner because although it's not going to be this dirty, this is like construction dust, it's just going to be dirty and a hassle. So I'm going to get a runner to keep it cleaner looking and safer, honestly, and just have it go all the way up once everything is finished. But look at how nice the trim is on the side here. I really love that. I haven't been upstairs in a little while actually because nothing much has changed up here. upstairs. I think this is all the same. I had moved a few boxes in here as well. My closet area. And then this little nook area over here. And the bathroom. Oh, we had some water. But yeah, everything's running, and this bathroom the toilet's usable now. Great. Obviously still needs to be cleaned up just a little bit. Put some decor in here, make it look a little less prison-like. But we're getting close, guys. We're almost to the point where it's gonna be like done for now. There's definitely things that I will need to continue to do, such as, you know, get the fridge, get the stove, get the washer installed, get a bigger stove, potbelly stove, get that installed, get the heating and the air conditioning installed. What else? You know, things like that aren't quite done, that will need to be done eventually, but those are things that I am able to complete while moving my stuff in as well. So we are, I would say, just a few days away from me being able to start moving my stuff inside the actual house. So I am ecstatic. I'm so excited. It's so quaint and welcoming in here. I wish you could actually come in here. But I'm happy to show it to you always. I've never forgotten about you. I know it's been a while. I'm sorry about that. And thank you again for everybody that has helped me out on Buy Me a Coffee. Funny story. This is just for me to tell you. I just want to share this with you guys, but I tried to donate plasma because it is really, you can really get compensated well for it right now. You can get up to like $850 a month in my area. So I tried to do that, but it did not end up going well. This bruise that I just showed you is from 10 days ago. Goes all the way around there. Originally they turned me away because they couldn't like access my veins. So they told me to drink a gallon of water and come back. So I drank 3 gallons over the weekend, went back. They tried to do it. I immediately started feeling like lightheaded and my vision was blurry, but I made it through that. I didn't say anything because I knew I could make it through. But then, if you've ever donated plasma, you know they take the blood, they separate it, and then they put the blood back into you. That's when things started going wrong, and they had to end up stopping me on their end because the blood was causing a hematoma, not going back into my actual veins. So they stopped it. I wasn't able to really do anything, but I still got my $100. But if it was good, I would have gone back. Just a silly story I wanted to share with you. But I am so excited. Oh, another silly story. I asked my contractor where him and his workers like to go on lunch because I wanted to buy them a gift card because they've really done such great work and they've gone above and beyond and really helped me with things that they didn't have to, like the garage that I set up. And he's just been so complimentary and really, I can tell he really cares, just, you know, based off the things he does and says. So I wanted to buy him a gift card. And through a little miscommunication, he was having trouble understanding me and I was kind of having trouble understanding him. So I asked him where they like to go for lunch, and then eventually it turned into him like thinking I was asking to like take them out to lunch, which really was fine. Like I was fine with that. So we ended up going to lunch. I brought my parents and then he brought his workers, and we all ended up going to a place for lunch that he liked and they usually go to. And it was really fun, actually. We had a great time. And then I did end up getting him a gift card for afterwards as well. I have made my final payment, so now I am free and clear of this house. It's exciting. There's just so much I can tell you, but I feel like this is going to be it for this video, and anything else I can think of, I will let you know in the next video. But some big updates this time and some big change in progress, and it's almost go time. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. dumpster cam, and I will be back soon with more dumpster diving related videos. Thank you.